the heart of Southeast Asia. Amidst the dense foliage of tropical forests, resides an adorable and remarkable creature, the rubber ducky isopod, or as it's known scientifically, the Cubaris species rubber ducky. Named for its striking resemblance to a rubber duck, with its yellow color, black eyes, orange bill, and even what kind of looks like tail feathers. This unique species of isopod has captured the attention and adoration of people all around the world. Even more so with those that keep isopods as pets, as they cherish these roly-polies for their cute appearance and somewhat easy husbandry. Belonging to the Cubaris genus, which boasts several species with diverse colors and patterns, these isopods thrive in the controlled environment of bioactive terrariums. Cubaris is a genus of isopod, or woodlice, in the family Armadillidae. And it is somewhat of a catch-all, with many of the species attributed to this genus not having been scientifically studied or described. In fact, many species attributed to the Cubaris genus are actually completely unrelated, and some have even been described and given their own scientific name, but the Cubaris label persists. This has led to a lot of confusion in the husbandry of isopods from this genus, as many different Cubaris species require drastically different care and do not share a lot of the same visual traits. But moving the species that do not belong in the Cubaris genus will be next to impossible until a lot more taxonomic research has been done, which unfortunately seems to be a low priority for science at this time. For example, Cubaris was first created in 1833 from the type species Cubaris murina. In 1935, the genus Nesodillo was considered a synonym of Cubaris. But in 1998, Nesodillo was re-established as its own separate genus. The two genera still cause a lot of confusion when it comes to identification and classification. And there are likely species in each genus that belong in the other. So Cubaris is really a vague term that has little to do these days with its original description. And since importation of isopods into countries like the United States is based on whitelist approval, which means they will only allow pre-approved genera or species to be imported into the country, many isopods are labeled as Cubaris, since that is a genus that has no import restrictions at this time. In fact, SP, as in Cubaris sp rubber ducky, is an abbreviation for species and is used when referring to an unidentified or unspecified species within a particular genus. Essentially, this denotes that the species has not been identified, but tentatively is believed to belong to the genus. Originating from countries like Thailand and Malaysia, Cubaris species rubber ducky isopods inhabit the leaf litter and decaying organic matter of humid tropical rainforests, typically in the vicinity of the famous limestone caves of the area. Their well-defined segmentation complements their rounded bodies, and their clearly articulated limbs are adapted for an active life within damp substrates. In these warm, moist environments, they play a crucial role in ecosystem health, breaking down organic material and contributing to nutrient cycling and soil enrichment and aeration. One of the most fascinating aspects of the rubber ducky isopods are their social behaviors. This might be more accurately described as communal or parasocial behavior, as they do not show an advanced level of social organization. But for the purposes of this video, the word social will suffice. These adorable potato bugs are often found living in groups, both in the wild and in captivity, where they engage in intriguing interactions with each other and their environment. Within their colonies, these pill bugs exhibit various social interactions. They may engage in activities such as foraging for food together, grooming each other, and communicating through tactile and chemical cues. They are also known to aggregate in specific areas within their enclosures. They may gather around food sources, moisture-rich areas, or preferred hiding spots. This aggregation might serve several purposes, including protection from predators, thermoregulation, moisture conservation, and mate selection. While isopods don't have complex vocalizations or visual displays like some other animals, they can communicate through physical contact and chemical signals. They use their antennae and other sensory organs to detect pheromones and other chemical cues released by other woodlouse in their colony. This helps them coordinate group activities and maintain social cohesion. They even exhibit some maternal care, with females carrying their eggs in a specialized brood pouch called a marsupium until they hatch. After hatching, the mother may continue to provide care to the offspring, ensuring their survival. Like other isopods in the hobby, Cubaris species rubber ducky do not have a larval stage. They are direct developers. This means the young engage in the same detrivorous diet as their parents, consuming decaying plant matter and contributing to the nutrient cycle within their ecosystem. And like any social species, conflicts can arise within the rubber ducky colonies. These conflicts may be related to competition for resources or mating opportunities. Isopods have various strategies for resolving conflicts, including dominance displays, avoidance behaviors, and physical interactions like pushing or grappling. Their vibrant yellow color not only adds to their visual appeal, but might also serve many other purposes, like as a warning to potential predators of their unpalatability or toxicity. Though they are not known to be toxic to humans or any other animals if ingested, this may just be an evolutionary form of mimicry, where their natural defense is to appear as if they are toxic to deter predators from eating them. Another possibility is that the bright yellow color might also be a form of camouflage. While it might seem counterintuitive for a bright yellow creature to be well camouflaged, in their natural habitat, which often includes leaf litter and decaying plant matter, the yellow coloration might blend in well with certain types of foliage and detritus. This could help them evade predators by making them less conspicuous in their environment. In some species, bright colors play a role in sexual signaling, helping individuals attract mates or signal their reproductive fitness. The bright yellow coloration of these rubber ducky isopods could be involved in courtship displays or mate recognition, although more research would be needed to confirm this, because it is also possible that their bright yellow color could simply be a result of genetic variation within the species. Just as human hair and eye color can vary widely, the coloration of isopods can also vary due to genetic factors. In the case of Cubaris species rubber ducky, a genetic mutation or combination of genes may be responsible for their bright yellow coloration. Or it could even be influenced by specific environmental conditions in their natural habitat. So while the exact reason for the bright yellow coloration is not definitively known, it likely serves a combination of purposes related to camouflage, warning coloration, sexual signaling, genetic variation, and environmental factors. So the rubber ducky isopod, a captivating inhabitant of Southeast Asia's tropical forests, emerges as a fascinating subject of study and admiration. Despite taxonomic uncertainties within the Cubaris genus, these charming creatures play pivotal roles in their ecosystems. Their social behavior, from communal gatherings to intricate communication methods, offer insights into the dynamics of invertebrate societies. The vibrant yellow coloration of Cubaris species rubber ducky remains a subject of intrigue, potentially serving multiple evolutionary purposes yet to be discovered. As caretakers and enthusiasts continue to explore the depths of their care and behavior, these delightful isopods serve as a reminder of nature's boundless diversity and complexity. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, click the video at the top of the screen. I will also have links to other sources of isopod content down below in the description. As always, I appreciate you watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thanks for buying Tarantula Collective merchandise, and I will see you next time.